Ever dreamed of making your own music, but don't know how to play a single instrument? What if I told you AI can now help you create studio quality tracks in minutes with just a prompt or your own lyrics? Welcome to the Highly Practical's YouTube channel, where we break down the smartest tools and tech to make your creative life easier. If you're ready to unlock the power of AI to create your own professional music like this,
broken streets and shattered dreams, children cry in silent screams. Skies are dark with smoke and fear, but the voice of love is still so near.
hit that like button, turn on the bell notification, comment, and subscribe to this channel, so that you will not miss a helpful content like this. Let's dive in. Open your preferred browser and search for this website called Suno.com. Then click on it to access the website. Now create an account to be able to use this website. After the account creation, tap on this icon. Then click here to write your prompt on how you want your music to be like. And if you don't have any idea about writing the prompt, just click on this drop-down arrow. Then choose any idea you want, based on the topics. When done choosing, tap on this Create button. And wait for some few minutes for your AI-generated music to be ready. The AI will generate 2 different types of music, just choose the one you prefer. And click on these 3 dots. Then scroll down to the download section and click on this MP3 audio option. Now click on this Download Anyway option for the file to be downloaded to be added to your existing MP3 file. And if you want to use your own lyrics to create your AI-generated music, tap on this Clear option to delete everything here. Then turn this Custom option on. Now click here to paste your lyrics. Or you can tap on this option to get your preferred lyrics. Another way is by asking ChatGPT or any AI chatbot you like for lyrics based on your music title. But make sure the lyrics is not more than 3,000 words. When done, just copy the lyrics. Then come back to Suno.com and paste it here. Scroll down and type in your style of music. Or you can choose one directly from here. Scroll down again and type in the title of your music in this space. And click on Create. Wait for some minutes to see your AI-generated music. Choose the one you want and click on the 3 dots. Scroll down to the Download option and click on the Download MP3. Click on Download Anyway. Then wait for it to finish downloading. Now you have your own music.
Broken streets and shattered dreams, children cry in silent screams.
Please, if you have watched the video to this far, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching this video.